altitude. And what you're gonna try to do is gonna try to put the little square box right into the center cross line. Chase the cross. So once you're doing that, it helps you to fly easier the plane. So you're not gonna be having time much to be looking outside. You'll be concentrating on that little square box into the center line. Okay? And small adjustments if you have to. If you do too much, the plane starts to fight with you. Remember, we're going over 200 kilometers. If you do a turn and you hold for 2 seconds, there's almost 100 feet off already. See how? So small adjustments, and come back. See? Up and down the same way. Not to worry, the first 2 minutes, a little awkward, until you get to know the plane a little bit better. Okay, we're gonna be doing 3 flights at least. Okay. So once we take off, we're gonna fly a little bit. We're gonna put the autopilot. We're gonna talk about this. We're gonna land the plane again, and then we're gonna go to another city. All right. Good to go. I need to release the parking brake. Push it down. There you go. I'm gonna be helping you with the speed. Okay. And we're gonna be watching that number there. Don't forget. Let's try a little bit with the lag. Okay. So let's get dark a little bit. Off we go. Press a little bit left foot. See how the nose goes to the left? Press right foot now. Right foot. And hold. Right foot a little bit more. Let's go back to the center. Almost there. See, we go. Let it go the right foot. A little correction to the left. Alright, very good. 145. Pull back. A bit more. There you go. Gear up. Now, see, we're going to straight up the wings, and we're going to pull back, forward a little bit more, right there, and we're going to go to the right, you see? We're going to try to chase the cross, right there, almost there, see, almost there, excellent, see? You know how sensitive it is? It's like a little baby. First turn, okay, you'll see the line is gonna move, and you're gonna follow the line, to the left, perfect. Back a little bit, excellent, that's good. As we turn, the plane tends to go to drop, so we pull back a little bit, and you're gonna get to the line very soon. That's good, almost there, see?
Supposed to be looking inside.
Now we are going to press the magic button, which is this one over here.
That one there?
Yeah. Now we can both go for a coffee. Autopilot's on.
Oh wow.
See, now you see how the autopilot will put the plane right into the center line? So what is happening is the plane, the autopilot is flying the plane. AP is on and it shows in your screen.
Oh, okay.
Speed, auto throttle is on at 205, and as you can see, the auto throttle is like, this is just like the cruise control. Okay, we select 205 right there on the box, and it shows you the speed is on. The other one is on is the heading select, heading hold, and the last one is altitude at 5,000 feet. Okay, so the plane is following this. Let's say I tell you to turn left, heading 090. So you become here, turn the knob to the left, 090. Very good. So we select a little change on course, line moved here, you see?
Yeah.
That's you, okay?
Right?
But we haven't turned yet. Why is that?
So I haven't hit that button.
Exactly.
Hit it?
Press select.
Oh.
The light is off.
Right.
Now we are turning. And the message changed. Now it's heading select. Because you select this.
Okay.
So let's talk a
Oh,
little.
so hold is keeping it in the same position.
It will keep in the same
Heading
direction.
is finding the setting that you put it on.
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's talk about the second screen over here. Okay. This is the radar screen.
Yeah.
Now, the little triangle is us.
Right.
And that's the direction we go. We can change the distance, like 10, 20, all the way to 600 nautical miles from us. Okay? So as we're gonna go back to the airport and land it, we already have pre-select our flight plan, which is this magenta line.
Right.
See, that's where we're gonna be going. So if I tell you to turn left to this waypoint here called Duvac, over here on the select,
Yeah.
turn all the way to the left. You see the line moving?
Yeah.
There you go.
All the way to.
Duvac.
So this unit right there.
Yep. So this time, the plane already started to turn
Right.
because we didn't have the hold position light on. That's good. Correct?
Okay.
So it was turning already. If I press hold, you stop making the turn. See? If I press select it again, now it's gonna go to 019.
Woo.
And that will be following the procedure here, but at the same time, we would have the tower telling us Air Canada 123, good heading 019, maintain 5,000 feet, speed 205. And then we have to repeat the message back. We cannot say, okay, I got it, okie dokie, no problem, yes ma'am, yes sir. We have to repeat the information.
Right.
That means safety. So we understand what the tower told us,
Right.
and we are doing exactly what they told us because we repeat it. If we don't do it, it's our fault.
Right. Okay.
So we're gonna descend right now at we are at 4,000 feet. See, the plane is going up a little bit,
Right.
so we're gonna keep at 4,000 for now. Okay, and it's gonna hold at 4,000.
Right.
You saw it stop going up a little bit now,
Yeah.
and we're gonna go to the left all the way to the Ebdal waypoint. Very good. Now, you see a message below Ebdal?
Yeah. 3,000 altitude.
There you go. So we need to go down. We're gonna select 3,000. Now, it's a little tricky. We need the vertical speed. We're gonna tell the plane what's our vertical speed, going down or up.
Okay.
Minus, plus. So we're gonna press vertical speed.
Yeah.
We're gonna say minus 500 feet per minute. This plane can go down or up 3,000 feet per minute. So 500 is nothing. You won't even feel it. Now we're starting to descend
Right.
to 3,000, what you selected, and we are heading to the Ebdal waypoint. So what we need to do now is reduce speed.
Okay.
Let's say reduce speed to 190. See the throttle coming back down?
Wow.
And you already select 190.
Yeah.
Now we have a little green arrow pointing down. It's telling us that the plane is slowing down. Now, do you see a little
You can
up
feel
in
it
green?
slowing down too. Yeah. Up in green. Yeah.
Yeah. The message for us is above that speed, flaps up. Below that speed, we put flaps. What are flaps? Little behind the wings,
Yeah.
the extension, so we can still fly in the air with a lower speed.
Right.
Okay, otherwise we will drop. So one of the things that we'll be telling the tower every time we talk to them, we call ourselves heavy. So they know it's a big plane. They cannot tell us to go 100 knots. We will not stay in the air. Okay, a smaller plane, you would.
Right.
But us, we always have to say heavy. So any big plane, we'll call the tower heavy.
Okay.
So let's turn heading 270, please.
Select.
Okay. So that's us. That's the runway,
Okay.
which is ahead of us right there. So what we're doing is we're following the procedure, and we're gonna line up to the runway.
Okay.
Okay. time, we're gonna, and the runway is right there.
Yeah.
24 right. See, right there. Perfect turn. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one more turn very soon. I would say to 240.
Okay. Now.
Yeah. Perfect. And then I'm going to introduce you something that the wife is going to love it. The diamonds. You see two diamonds over here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to turn this off. Those diamonds are the ILS, Instrumental Landing System. The little two antennas at the beginning of the runway send a signal. We're going to keep these diamonds in the center.
Right.
And this one here in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. So the signal is sent to us. We follow the signal. We're gonna be right in the right position on the runway.
Okay.
So let's disconnect the autopilot.
Okay.
Left thumb.
Yeah.
Right here on the controls. Left thumb. On the left thumb.
This?
Press once. Autopilot disconnect. Message comes up. You press it again. Press it again. And you just hold the plane. I'm flying the plane.
Okay.
Okay. So let's follow the diamond. So one diamond is starting to go down. We go down with it. One is pointing to the left. We go a little bit to the left. Not too much. Straight up. Okay. And I'm going to reduce more speed. And I also want you to look at outside. You see one diamond's pointed up?
Yeah.
We pull back up. Chase the diamond.
Right.
That's what I say. The girls usually are so on it.
And the bottom diamond too.
Yes, sir. So one is pointing to the right and one is pointing down. So
Right.
go down and a little bit to the right. Remember, small adjustments. See, it's coming back to the center.
Yeah.
So we follow a little bit, not much. And going down still. Ending gear down. One is coming to the left. We follow the diamond right away. Right there. We're still descending, you see?
Right.
Do you see the runway right there?
See the runway.
Okay, so that's why the beauty of us having two eyes. One outside, one inside. So see, it's pointing down.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta watch both of them.
Both of them. But not too much. Remember, we have 300 passengers. We want to get to... Exactly.
That's a little pressure.
A little bit to the right.
Right. Pull up a little.
Not yet.
No.
Not yet. Yeah, also look at
Approaching
outside.
2.
Very good.
Forward, right.
It's always about small adjustments. Okay, so let's try to be straight up. Everything we do now is just a little bit. See?
Right.
See, now we're opening a little bit. That's it. Straight up. That's good. That's good. 400 feet. I disconnect the auto throttle. See? Right there.
300.
Remember, now we need to straight up the wings.
Right.
200.
My goodness, it's a little terrifying.
It's alright, it's good, it's perfect.
100.
Look at that, perfect.
50.
Nice.
40. 30.
Okay.
20.
There you go.
10.
Now the nose down. Excellent. We're still flying the plane. Remember, the feet to keep in center. Nothing to do the hands now.
Yeah.
Very good.
Manual braking.
Good job, Captain. We landed.
I think I have a little help there.
Right on.
Woo.
Very good.
Sweating a little.
It's intense, isn't it?
You know what?
You haven't even left the ground. That's what's funny.
As you start, but really, as you start coming in there, and especially as you said you've got 300 passengers,
No.
you're like,